Did you know that the kitchen has officially become the most influential room in modern home design, with experts revealing that well-designed kitchens can dramatically increase both property value and everyday comfort? Now think about this for a moment. Have you ever dreamed of a kitchen that doesn't just function well, but actually feels like a work of art? A space where every cabinet, every surface, every reflection, and every beam of light feels carefully crafted to create something extraordinary. This is where 3D kitchen interior designs completely change the conversation. These designs go far beyond traditional sketches or flat layouts. They bring depth, realism, and emotion into the design process, allowing homeowners and designers to experience a kitchen before it even exists. That's why 3D kitchens are rapidly gaining popularity. They captivate because they remove uncertainty, unlock creativity, and make bold ideas feel achievable. Instead of guessing how a space might look, you can see it, feel it, and refine it until it perfectly matches your vision. For many people, designing a kitchen is one of the most stressful parts of building or renovating a home. Space limitations are often the biggest challenge, especially in apartments and compact homes where every inch matters. Others struggle with knowing how to blend beauty with functionality, or how to choose the right materials, colors, and lighting without making costly mistakes. There's also the challenge of visualizing the final result. It's hard to imagine how cabinets, countertops, appliances, and lighting will work together just by looking at samples or drawings. These challenges often lead to kitchens that feel cluttered, outdated, or disconnected from the rest of the home. 3D kitchen designs offer powerful solutions to these problems. Imagine a small kitchen that feels cramped being transformed into a bright, open space through smart cabinet placement, reflective surfaces, and strategic lighting. Picture a modern kitchen where handleless cabinets create a clean, seamless look, while hidden storage keeps everything organized and clutter-free. Visualize a luxury kitchen where a bold island becomes the heart of the space, combining cooking, dining, and socializing into one elegant feature. With 3D design, every decision, from layout to lighting, can be tested and perfected before a single cabinet is installed. These designs also allow for endless creativity. You can experiment with materials like marble, quartz, wood, concrete, and glass, seeing exactly how they interact with light and space. You can explore different color palettes, from soft neutrals to dramatic contrasts, without fear of regret. You can test modern features such as floating cabinets, integrated appliances, smart storage solutions, and layered lighting systems that bring warmth and depth to the room. Each design isn't just visually stunning, it's a practical response to real-life kitchen challenges. Now imagine stepping into a kitchen that represents the very peak of modern interior design. A space where technology and artistry blend seamlessly. Cabinets appear to float effortlessly, illuminated by subtle LED lighting that highlights textures and shapes. A sculptural island commands attention, finished in luxurious stone and designed to feel both bold and inviting. Appliances are fully integrated, almost invisible, allowing the design to flow without interruption. This kitchen doesn't just impress, it inspires. It makes you want to cook, gather, create, and spend time in the heart of your home. This is the kind of design that changes how you experience daily life. What makes this kind of kitchen truly special is the emotional impact it creates. It's not just about luxury or trends, it's about how the space makes you feel. A beautifully designed kitchen can bring calm in the morning, comfort in the evening, and joy during shared moments with family and friends. When design, functionality, and atmosphere align perfectly, the kitchen becomes more than a room, it becomes an experience. The incredible designs you've seen today prove, without question, that the future of kitchens is bold, intentional, and deeply personal. These spaces are no longer designed only for function, they are created to tell a story. A story about lifestyle, taste, creativity, and how we choose to live our everyday lives. Modern kitchens are becoming the emotional center of the home, and these 3D designs clearly show how powerful thoughtful design can be when imagination meets technology. What stands out most is that these kitchens are not limited by size, budget, or rigid rules. Whether you're working with a compact apartment kitchen or a spacious open-plan layout, these designs demonstrate that beauty and efficiency can coexist effortlessly. Small kitchens become smarter, brighter, and more open through clever layouts and visual depth. Large kitchens become refined, balanced, and purposeful, avoiding wasted space while embracing elegance and comfort. These 3D kitchen concepts also highlight the importance of personalization. No two people live the same way, And no two kitchens should feel identical. Some designs prioritize calm and simplicity, using soft colors, natural textures, and clean lines to create a peaceful environment. Others embrace bold contrasts, dramatic lighting, and statement materials that make the kitchen feel expressive and full of energy. And then there are those ultra-modern designs that push boundaries entirely, blending advanced technology with futuristic aesthetics to create kitchens that feel ahead of their time. What makes 3D visualization so powerful is its ability to turn ideas into something tangible. It allows you to experiment freely, testing colors, finishes, layouts, and lighting without fear of making the wrong choice. You can see how sunlight changes the mood of the room throughout the day, how textures respond to artificial lighting at night, and how the placement of each element affects movement and comfort. This clarity gives homeowners confidence and helps ensure that the final result feels intentional rather than accidental. Beyond aesthetics, these kitchens are designed to support real life. They consider how you move through the space, where you prepare meals, where people gather, and how storage is organized. Thoughtful 3D designs help eliminate clutter, improve workflow, and create a natural rhythm that makes daily tasks feel easier and more enjoyable. When design truly works, you don't just see it, you feel it in how effortlessly the space functions. Now we'd genuinely love to hear from you. Which of the kitchen designs you've seen resonated with you the most? Was it the sleek modern kitchen with seamless surfaces and hidden appliances that create a clean, uninterrupted flow? Was it the warm, minimalist design that feels cozy yet refined, blending modern simplicity with natural comfort? Or was it the jaw-dropping luxury concept that feels like a glimpse into the future, where innovation and artistry exist in perfect harmony? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which elements you'd love to bring into your own home. Your input is more important than you might think. Design is deeply personal, and your preferences reflect how you want to live, relax, and connect with others. By sharing your favorite designs, you contribute to a growing conversation about creativity, lifestyle, and modern living. Your ideas could spark inspiration for someone else who's planning their own kitchen transformation, helping them see new possibilities they hadn't considered before. If this video has sparked your imagination, don't let that creative energy fade. Continue exploring with us by watching our next video, where we dive into smart home decor ideas, layout strategies, lighting techniques, and modern design principles that can elevate every room in your home. From subtle upgrades to bold transformations, we show you how thoughtful design choices can completely change how a space feels and functions. Because great design is never just about appearances. It's about how a space supports your lifestyle, enhances your mood, and makes everyday moments more enjoyable. A well-designed kitchen can bring calm to busy mornings, comfort to quiet evenings, and joy to shared meals and conversations. It becomes a place where memories are created naturally, without effort. With the right inspiration, the right tools, and a clear vision, your home can become more than just a place to live. It can become a reflection of who you are and what matters to you. And your kitchen, as the heart of that home, deserves thoughtful attention. Let these designs remind you that creativity has no limits, that modern technology makes bold ideas achievable, and that your dream kitchen is closer than you think. So take these ideas, imagine the possibilities, and don't be afraid to dream bigger. Because when design is done right, it doesn't just change spaces, it changes how we experience life inside them every single day.